Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tomazia, my name is Latoya. For those that are new, welcome, and for those that are already following me, thank you for sticking in. So today we're gonna do our Acne Turmeric body scrub. This body scrub is a bomb. First of all, you measure some 10 or even a cup of castor sugar. The reason why you need to use castor sugar, because castor sugar is very gentle in the skin, is not abrasive, and also it actually contains collagen, guys. So after putting your castor sugar, you must take, this is my turmeric, infused turmeric and papaya oil. Add 3, 4, 5 spoon, let me say 5 spoon of the turmeric and papaya oil, and then stir it very nicely and gently until it's well mixed. This scrub cannot be used on the face because our skin is our face is very sensitive, but it's only for the body. It makes your body glow, it makes your skin smooth, it dries out your pimple. After adding all the oils, our papaya oil, add the bentonite clay. Do you guys know the benefits of bentonite clay? Add only 1 spoon of bentonite clay. The bentonite clay. The benefit of bentonite clay is that it dries out pimple. If you have acne, use bentonite clay. You can use any type of clay. Take bentonite clay. Mix with, let's say, polenta, and use it as a facial scrub. It dries out your pimple. I'll make a video on that. Stir it very well until it's nicely mixed, the way you guys see here. So that's how it's going. Just go through the process. And then guys, you know that tea tree oil, it's very good for acne. If you have acne, just put 1 drop on the cotton wool of tea tree oil, mix it at least with 2 or 5 spoons of water, pat it on your acne, and it dries out your acne. So tea tree oil is very good for acne. That's why I say this scrub is a body scrub for acne. I have a lot of clients that complains about back acne, so this scrub is for you. And then add at least 1 spoon of rice milk, guys. I love rice milk. You know why? Because rice milk is the best powder to brighten your skin. Rice milk, you don't play with the power of rice milk. Once you're done stirring everything well, transfer it into a sterilized bottle. Make sure that your bottle is sterilized, because remember, this product, this scrub, doesn't contain any preservative, so you need to use it immediately within 7 days, because otherwise it expires. If you want to keep it longer, because remember this is only oil based without any water, you don't put water into this bottle to allow the scrub to last longer. Otherwise, the moment the water goes into this scrub, it's gonna grow some mold, and then it's ready. It can be used. Use it 3 times a week, guys. Don't overuse it, because this one is a bit abrasive. It makes it will make your skin to be irritated. As you can hear the noise around me where I'm recording. So yes, guys, that's how you make a product. Please don't forget to subscribe, share our video, and sorry guys for keeping you guys standing without any video. It was very busy with the business as well. So thank you so much, and please share with your friends, subscribe, and then see you soon.